Hello everyone, in today's video I want to show you how to create a YouTube channel from scratch. Once you open your browser, you just need to come at the URL section and type in youtube.com. When you type in youtube.com, then from here you see nothing is showing because you haven't signed in. For you to sign in to YouTube, you need a Gmail account, and I take it as you already have a Gmail account. If you can't, also it is very easy to get a Gmail account. Then you just need to go to Gmail and create an account, then come and join in the video. Now once you get the Gmail account, you have to click on sign in here. Then it will prompt you, it will bring you to this section. You see me, I have already had several Gmail accounts already signed in. Now I just need to select the Gmail I want to use in this video, which is this one here. Yeah, once you click on it, you need to enter your password, the password that you use to create the Gmail account here. Once you enter the password, you click on next. After you click next, it will take you to the YouTube page. Now you see as you have signed in with the email account you just selected. Now after signing in, you need to create a YouTube channel. Click on the logo at the top right corner. Then once you click there, then you need to come down under the Gmail. You see the create a channel. You need to right click on it. Now once you click on create a new channel, it will bring you to this place where you will have to enter the name of your channel. Like for instance, me, I want to use Amani Sal. That is name I'm using. And look down here immediately. You select it. It will give you an handle. A handle is the same as TikTok and Instagram. So it will be the name of your channel for people to easily find you. The name of my channel is not available. That's why it had this three random figures here. That is what I will put Amani Sal Toots. But if you want also, you can check if your name is available. You can just put your name. If it is available, then it will be fine. But for me here, you see it is not available. So I put back the Amani Toots. Then once you click on, then you come and click on down here at the create channel. You right click on it, then it will load. Once you click that, your channel will be created and it will take you to your YouTube channel homepage. Now you see how boring it is because it is a new channel, so don't worry. Then you need to click on customize channel. It will take you to the YouTube studio. Now here click on continue. After click on continue, come to the bottom left corner and click on settings. Once you click on settings, then you see channel here. Let me just next this. Then you need to go to channel, and on the channel here you need to first thing you need to do is select the country of your resident, the country of resident where you live or where you're staying right now. Just enter a country. It doesn't really matter that much, but just select the country where you live. Like for me now, I'm in the United States, so I'm just going to select United States. And here these are keywords that will tell YouTube what your channel is about. Then after here you come to advanced settings here. Now this section also is very important. You see on the audience here, it gives you three options, or two options rather. The content you're going to create, is it for kids, that is kids under 13 years old, or is it not for kids, that means adults? If you know that you're not creating this channel for kids, then select no. After that, you come up here, click on feature eligibility. Once click on here, see it has standard features and intermediate features. Click on the drop down. You see here it says verify phone number. Click on verify phone number. Once you click on that, it will take you to another page, the phone verification page. Now here also you need to select the country where you stay in, because you need a phone number to verify. Scroll down and select the country where you are. Like I'm in the United States. Once I select it, then you just need to enter a mobile phone number. Google is going to send the code to the mobile phone number you entered. So once you put your number, click on next, and it will bring you to this page here. Now here it says enter the 6-digit verification code. This code will be sent to the number that you provided in the last step. Just enter that number. Like for me, for instance, the number is 484867. Once you submit, now you see it says your phone number verified. Once this is verified, now if you go back to settings and go back to feature eligibility, now you see it says enabled. And I mean the advanced features that will come later. Once you have enough subscribers, these features are going to be activated. Now once you're done here, you need to click on upload defaults on the advanced sections. Now you see these just some settings that you need to set once. And for here also come to under categories and select your channel category. If it is under music or anything, it is people and blog and all those stuff. Now just come and select the category where you think your channel fall into, and for me is under how to and style, because I'll be teaching you. Once you've done that, you are literally done here. Then just need to go back to basic info and come here. You see, come and click on visibility. In visibility here, once you click on it, it's going to show you these three options: whether you want your videos to go public immediately after you uploaded it, or you want it to go to private. But I ask you to choose private, because once you upload the video, so then you will have enough time to write the description and upload a custom thumbnail. It gives you enough time to do all the final setups. Then once that is done, just click on save. Once you click on save, now you are all set. But as you can see, we don't have a channel logo yet and a YouTube banner. So if you want to learn how to create a YouTube banner and a channel logo for free, click on this video on the screen right now.